Welcome to Ganapati Institute Kakinada YouTube channel. In this video class, we are going to learn some important facts about Union Territory Lakshadweep. We know very well Lakshadweep, it is an archipelago of 36 islands in Arabian Sea. In Malayalam language, Lakshadweep means 1 lakh islands. 1 lakh islands. And coming to capital of Lakshadweep. Capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. And coming to formation of this Union Territory Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep, which is actually formed on November 1 in the year 1956. And coming to total number of islands in Lakshadweep, nearly 36 islands are there in Lakshadweep. Out of 36 islands, 10 islands are said to be inhabited islands. Inhabited islands, their number is only 10. So hence it is also called as archipelago. Archipelago means a group of islands. Say for example, Indonesia is said to be the largest archipelago in the world. So Lakshadweep, which is also called as archipelago because of it contains 36 islands. Out of 36 islands, 10 islands are said to be inhabited islands. And number of Lok Sabha seats in Lakshadweep, only one Lok Sabha seat is there in Lakshadweep. And coming to number of districts, so number of districts, only one district is there in Lakshadweep. And area, as far as area is concerned, Lakshadweep stood at 36th place. Among union territories, Lakshadweep is said to be the smallest union territory in terms of area. So area rank is 36, and two official languages are there in Lakshadweep. One is Malayalam and second one is English. Most widely spoken language in Lakshadweep is Malayalam. Remember, this is also very important. High Court jurisdiction. High Court jurisdiction, which is come under Kerala High Court Kochi, which is also very important. I already told about you archipelago because of Lakshadweep, which is actually contains 36 islands. The main islands in Lakshadweep, they are, one is Minicoy, second one is Agatti, Bangaram, Pitti, at the same time Suheli. So many islands are there, nearly 36 islands are there. Out of 36 islands, 10 islands are said to be inhabited islands. So Lakshadweep, which is also called as archipelago, group of islands in Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep islands are also called as coral islands. In these islands, we found what is called coral animals. These coral animals, they belongs to Coelenterata or Cnidaria phylum. So here the Lakshadweep is, which is also called as coral islands because of presence of coral animals. And the Lakshadweep, which is also called as Emerald Islands. Don't confuse with island. Island country, which is also called as Emerald country. Emerald country means island. Emerald Islands means Lakshadweep Islands. Main industry in Lakshadweep. The main industry in Lakshadweep is coir industry. So extraction of coir fibers is the main industry in Lakshadweep. And coming to fish of Lakshadweep, fish of Lakshadweep is butterfly fish. Butterfly fish is the fish of Lakshadweep, which is also very important. And alcohol beverage consumption is totally permitted, totally not permitted in the archipelago of Lakshadweep except Bangaram Island. Except Bangaram Island. Once again, alcohol beverage consumption is not permitted in the archipelago of Lakshadweep except Bangaram Island. Largest island in Lakshadweep. Largest island in Lakshadweep is Minicoy Island, whereas smallest island in Lakshadweep is Bitra Island. I already told you this is the smallest union territory in terms of area, that is Lakshadweep, and highest percentage of ST population among union territories. Among union territories is also seen in Lakshadweep, and there is no SC population in Lakshadweep as well as in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. When it comes to Indian states, 28 states of India, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, these two states, they don't have any SC population. Coming to Union Territory with the least population growth rate. Union Territory with the least population growth rate is also Lakshadweep. Coming to PM Saeed, he was elected as an MP from Lakshadweep consecutively 10 years. This is also very, very important. As of now, administrator of Lakshadweep is Prafulla Koda Patel. Prafulla Koda Patel, as of now, he is the administrator of Lakshadweep. Union Territory with highest literacy rate. State with highest literacy rate is Kerala. Union Territory with highest literacy rate is also Lakshadweep. And hermit crab is generally seen in Lakshadweep, a special kind of crab. This crab belongs to, in Telugu it is called as Rushipita. So this hermit crab is generally seen in Lakshadweep. This crab belongs to Arthropoda phylum. And Lakshadweep, which is also called as Emerald Islands, I already told you. And 9 degrees channel, which is actually present in between Minicoy and Suheli Islands, whereas 8 degrees channel, which is actually present in between Minicoy and Maldives. These 2 points are also very, very important. That's all for the day. Meet you tomorrow with more current affairs and general studies classes. This is yours Ganapati sir from Ganapati Institute. Work hard, work smart. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow.